Good morning. My name is Elder Antonio Enriquez Rosa. I am married. I have a son. I live with my wife and my son. My family were at 12 members. These are my brothers and sisters. My brothers his name is Wilmer. My brother his name is Kelvin. My sister his name is Norma. My sister his name is Lilian. My sister his name is Ludin. My sister his name is Karen. He is my father. His name is Antonio Enriquez. My father is a laborer and is 67 years old. He is my mother. His name is Melba Filia Rosa. Is a housewife and she is 65 years old. She is my wife. His name is Reina María Osorio Cruz. He is my son. His name is Anthony Enriquez. Thank you very much for your attention.